I can't get everything into one post. This will take many months to cover, but we will cover all of it as we go. They say groundwater is causing Earth's axis to shift. I say they're hiding something much bigger. You've seen the skies change. The sun's path shift. The magnetic poles drift. This isn't farming. This is full-spectrum planetary engineering, and it's happening now. Earth's axis shift, the great groundwater lie, what's really causing the planet to tilt? Headline: Earth's axis has shifted 31.5 inches due to groundwater pumping. That's the official story, and it's everywhere. But what if that explanation is just a convenient cover for something far more controlled, engineered, and threatening? Between 1993 and 2010, Earth's rotational axis reportedly moved 31.5 inches 80 centimeters. Scientists say the culprit isn't tectonic plates, glacial melt, or magnetic activity, it's pumped groundwater. Let that sink in. They want us to believe that sprinklers in India and farm fields in Kansas are throwing the entire Earth off balance. The official narrative: groundwater caused it. According to published studies, over 2,150 gigatons of water were pumped from underground aquifers between 1993 to 2010 and discharged into oceans. This redistributed mass is claimed to have altered the Earth's moment of inertia, causing the spin axis to shift by over 31 inches toward East Antarctica. And yes, groundwater loss does change ocean mass and pressure. But this does not account for celestial anomalies in sunrise and moon positions. The acceleration of geomagnetic pole drift observed shifts in global sky alignment from photographic evidence, magnetic field weakening, and atmospheric resonance disruptions. The influence of electromagnetic infrastructure on mantle dynamics. So what are we really seeing? The real causes behind Earth's tilting. Technogenic magnetic interference. As you've documented, the expansion of ionospheric heaters, HAARP, ESCAT, super-DARN, CERN's magnetic experiments, and plasma emissions from rockets are not isolated. They form a planetary grid of directed energy. These systems target the ionosphere and magnetosphere, disrupting Earth's natural electromagnetic balance, and magnetism directly affects axial stability. Earth is an electric planet. Its rotation and orientation are tied to its magnetic field. Disrupt the field, and you disrupt the axis. Stratospheric aerosols plus solar radiation management, SRM. Millions of tons of metal nanoparticles are being sprayed into the stratosphere to block sunlight. These aluminum-based particulates interact with microwave, laser, and scalar fields, forming artificial plasma sheets. This has multiple consequences: alters atmospheric pressure distribution, changes mass flow in the upper atmosphere, triggers feedback loops in wind and jet stream orientation, weakens solar magnetospheric coupling. Together, these impact Earth's gyroscopic balance, and that's where the axis shift really begins. Magnetic pole drift plus core instability. Earth's magnetic North Pole is racing toward Siberia, having moved over 1,000 kilometers in the past century, with increased velocity since 2000. This drift isn't just surface magnetism, it's indicative of core movement. When the liquid outer core shifts, it causes changes in Earth's rotation and momentum transfer to the crust. This also aligns with increased seismic pressure, fault line destabilization, increased volcanic activity, planetary reorientation during high cosmic flux. So why blame groundwater? Because they can't admit they're tampering with Earth's core. Celestial misalignment. You've documented it, and millions have seen it. Sun no longer rises or sets in expected positions. Moon tilt and path appear altered. Seasonal shifts not accounted for by normal precession. The system is drifting, but it's not just physical. It's resonant. And if the entire magneto-electrical balance of Earth is being manipulated from above and below, it will appear like the Earth is tilting when in fact, it's being frequency steered. Why they blame groundwater? Because it's easy, relatable, and non-threatening. People understand farming. People don't question aquifer depletion. People don't feel the need to resist water use. But electromagnetic weather warfare? Core disruption? Axis manipulation via artificial magnetism? That's a revolution. Final thought, this is not natural. Axis shift is not just an environmental effect, it's a technogenic event tied to geoengineering systems, frequency control towers, ionospheric plasma experiments, magnetic resonance disruptions, core mantle interaction interference. So no, groundwater is not the cause. It's the alibi for a crime being committed against Earth's natural system. Stay aware, be prepared, and until next time, keep looking up.